apologize for disturbing you, but you have a call. He says he's claiming to be Soldier Boy.
Put him through. This really you?
The situation's changed. I thought we should have a conversation.
I don't know who the fuck you think you are, but you got lucky once because you fucking ambushed
Fall
me.
1980. I get called into Vogelbaum's lab for an experiment. Some shit about genetics. I still remember the penthouse I used. June. Danielle Deneau. Bush like a Pomeranian.
What?
I beat my meat into a cup. Turns out, Vogelbaum made a kid. Born spring 1981. A boy. You know what the bitch of it is? If they'd have just kept me around, I'd have let you take the spotlight. What father wouldn't want that for his son?